Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So this is going to be the current energy of Libra, and this is the current energy of Libra's partner. The Empress. Okay, so Libra, right now you are feeling like a queen. You are feeling like an empress. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is doing something new in your life. Okay, you are producing something new in life. You are about to start something new in life. Okay, you are a nurturer, you are a family person, you are someone who has a lot of love and affection for everyone. Right now you are producing something new in your life, in terms of relationship, in terms of career, in terms of job, in terms of business, in terms of finances, in terms of anything. So you are being somebody who has started something new in life. Okay, a new chapter has begun for you. You are writing your new chapter of your life. Alright, now let's see what is the current energy of your partner. King of Cups. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like your person who is genuinely in love with you, who has a lot of love and emotions to give you, but at this point of time this person is feeling completely alone and aloof, because as you can see, there is no ground around this person. Okay, this person is sitting in ocean, this person is sitting in sea. Okay, so they are completely alone, they are completely aloof, even though they have emotions, even though they have love for you, but it seems like they are trying to ignore you, or perhaps they are ignoring you because they feel that you are being very rude towards them, because you are not sharing your things, sharing your feelings with them, and that's why this person is feeling lost. This person is feeling alone and aloof. Okay, this person has emotions and love for you, that's for sure, but the way this person is looking somewhere else, it seems like they are deliberately ignoring you, even though they do not want to do it, but they are doing it. Okay. Now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, what actions they can take towards you. Alright, Libra, what do you think about them? What your person thinks about you, Libra? What actions they are going to take towards you? Sorry, you are going to take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Okay. The Source. With this card, it seems like you see your person as somebody who feels that, they, as per them, you are their source of life. You are the only one for them. Okay, whenever you guys are around, or whenever you talk to your person, they always made sure that you feel complete, you feel loved, you feel that you are getting a lot of attention. So in that case your person always treats you as somebody who is the only person for them. Okay, that's how you see them. Okay, because at times you feel that this person genuinely loves you, at times you feel that this person is completely into you, at times you feel that this person is is not going here and there, they are just stick to their words, and that's how you see them, that okay, if this person has said something about me that they love me, so they made sure that they are proving themselves over and over again. Okay, so according to them, you are the only source of love, only source of life in their, or only source of happiness in their life. Okay, now let's see what they think about you. They think that you are being somebody who has some guilt factors within you. Perhaps you have been through some bad bad relationships in past, so you have certain guilts in your heart and mind, that which is not letting you move on in life. Okay, So you have your own sorries, you have your own guilt factors in life which is not allowing you to move ahead. So that's how your person sees you. All right, now let's see what actions you are going to take towards them. Participation, it seems like you want their contribution, you want their participation in something. Okay, it could be anything. If you are someone who has who want to excel in job or who want to excel in professional life, you want them to understand your situation, you want them to understand your problems, you want them complete and 100% support from your partner. Okay, that's how you are asking a participation from your partner's end. Okay, apart from that, for some of you Libra, it seems like the moment you feel that it should be a collective efforts. It's not Libra or it's not me who should always give and give and give in. So you want your person to contribute in this relationship in an equal manner. If you are giving your 100%, you are expecting the same 100% efforts from your partner's end. Only then you will be able to move ahead in life with this person. Okay, so you want them to contribute, you want their participation fully. All right, now let's see what actions they can take towards you. Maturity, they are going through a lot of emotional ups and downs, Libra. Okay, they are learning new lessons of life, they are learning new behaviors of life, they are learning new emotions. Okay, because every individual has their own set of values, rules, regulations. Okay, so they are learning how to deal with you, they are learning how you behave in certain situation. So according to them, it is nothing but a learning phase for them. So at this point of time, they are not taking any action towards you because they are learning a lot about you. All right, now let's see what could be the future potential. What could be the I am really sorry. What could be the future potential? What could be the future potential? What could be the future potential? 8 of Wands. You can expect communication, confirmation, some kind of okay, approval, go ahead from your person's side in future, Libra. Or you are going to convey your emotion, your feelings to your person in future. Some kind of a communication, some sort of a communication is taking place in this relationship in future. Okay, it's either you who is going to open up or your person is going to open up. Okay, and that communication will be so rapid. Okay, that perhaps you won't be able to understand what's happening around you, or perhaps your person is not going to understand what's happening, what happened all of a sudden. Okay, perhaps after losing all your faith and all your hopes in this relationship, I am seeing that there could be a reunion for both of you. And if not reunion, I feel that both of you will come together and talk about your issues, your problems. All right, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What is angels' message for you? Okay, so I have got 2 cards for you, Libra. The first in the near future, and the second one is the ask your angel. It seems like your angels wants you to connect with them. They feel, angels are asking you to talk to them because they only can help you. And whatever you are manifesting right now, or whatever you want, whatever is your wish, that thing, that wish, that desire is going to fulfill in the near future. That wish could be related to your partner, wish could be related to your finances, your goals, your business, your job. It could be related to anything. But yes, as far as this relationship is concerned, I feel that you guys are definitely going to communicate, definitely going to take some kind of discussion or debate in this relationship in future. Okay, but all you need to do is you need to check with you need to ask the help from your angels. All right. Okay, so Libra, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in this reading. And yes, all right. So Libra people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.